And here's another look at the CircuPool RJ 45 Plus salt chlorine generator. And in the first video, I went over a lot of the features of the RJ 45 Plus. And here it is installed at a service account. And you can see that the cell is actually the same footprint as a Hayward AquaRite Salt Cell. So it actually can be installed in a small area like this here. And I would suggest that if you're going to have it installed, if you don't know how to install pool plumbing, although you can certainly do it yourself, I suggest hiring a professional service company to install the salt system. If the company has experience with other salt systems, they can definitely install the CircuPool. It's a very easy system to install, and it's a pretty hefty control power unit, so make sure that the person installs it in a correct location to where it's not going to fall or be damaged. And the system itself comes with a 7-year limited warranty. One of the really nice features of the salt cell itself is that it's rated for 15,000 hours of use. In most salt systems, they rate their cells for 10,000 hours. So you have the extra 5,000 hours of use with the CircuPool RJ 45 Plus. And so the maximum chlorine output of the RJ 45 Plus is 2 pounds of chlorine per day. And if you currently have a Hayward AquaRite salt system at your pool, this has been designed to be a direct replacement for that system. So this cell will fit into the existing unions of the Hayward Turbo Cell, and there's no replumbing required. And you can see the flow sensor is installed here behind the cell. Just make sure that the arrow is pointed towards the return of the pool. And if you're swapping out your Hayward AquaRite, you can use the same flow sensor that came with the Hayward AquaRite. And the control module is very easy to navigate. It has this really nice menu and the OLED screen. And I have a separate video going over the different functions of the menu. And one of the really nice features is that it will display the salinity or salt level in the water. It also has this nice cover to protect the control module. And I really like the fact that the RJ 45 Plus can produce up to 2 pounds of chlorine per day, which is the equivalent of about 2 gallons of 12.5 liquid chlorine. So definitely if you have a larger pool, this is the system to get. And I also like the clear casing of this cell, so you can see inside the cell and know when the cell plates are getting calcium buildup and when to take it off to clean it. If you're in the market for a saltwater generator for your pool, the Circupool RJ Series would be a great choice. Again, it's backed by a 7-year limited warranty, and the salt cell is rated for 15,000 hours, so you're getting a durable and very long-lasting salt system. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.